Hey guys, today, Shahir is in Munich for an incredible adventure. His journey begins at the International Motor Show 2025, one of the biggest automobile events in the world. From futuristic electric cars to luxury rides, this show has it all. The Munich Motor Show 2025, also known as IAA Mobility, is one of the world's biggest auto and mobility events. This year, more than 700 exhibitors from 37 countries have gathered to showcase over 350 world premieres from futuristic electric cars to autonomous driving concepts. Our journey starts at Marienplatz station right in the very heart of Munich. Marienplatz has been the city's central square for over 800 years, surrounded by stunning landmarks like the Neues Rathaus, famous for its glockenspiel. From this historic spot, Shahir begins his day, heading to one of the most exciting events of the year, the Munich Motor Show 2025. As Shahir steps inside, he's surrounded by innovation. Sleek EVs, autonomous vehicles, and cutting-edge mobility solutions are everywhere. The focus this year is on sustainability, smart technology, and the future of transport. Marienplatz has been the city's central square since 1158 for centuries. It's been the stage for markets, festivals, and celebrations. Shahir takes a moment to walk around Marienplatz, soaking in its history and vibrant atmosphere. From here, the adventure continues as he makes his way toward today's main destination, the Munich Motor Show 2025. The journey begins at the BMW Arena, where Shahir gets a first look at BMW's latest lineup of electric vehicles. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, BMW's vision of the future is clear: electric, innovative, and sustainable. The excitement is clear the moment he arrives. A huge line stretches across the entrance, as fans and car lovers wait to see BMW's latest electric innovations. inside, the wait is worth it. BMW unveils its newest generation of EVs, from luxury sedans to futuristic concepts, all carrying the brand's vision for sustainable, electric future. With bold designs, advanced digital features, and impressive range, these cars showcase BMW's push to stay ahead in the new era of mobility. It's a perfect start to the Munich Motor Show 2025. Shahir even gets behind the wheel of the BMW i4 M60, the high-performance version of BMW's electric Grand Coupe. With nearly 600 horsepower, a range of over 500 kilometers, and instant acceleration, it's a perfect mix of power and zero emissions. Sitting inside, Shahir gets a real feel for BMW's next chapter. Next stop, the Lucid Arena. Lucid Motors, one of the fastest rising EV makers, showcases its premium electric sedans designed to compete directly with the best in the world. Shahir's next stop is the Mercedes-Benz Arena, one of the most impressive displays at the Munich Motor Show. Known for combining elegance with innovation, Mercedes is showcasing its latest generation of electric cars under the EQ lineup. Here, Shahir explores models like the EQS and EQE luxury EVs designed with state-of-the-art interiors, cutting-edge AI features, and ranges that make long-distance electric driving effortless. After checking out the all-electric G-Wagon, Shahir heads over to another showstopper, the Mercedes-AMG GTX-X concept. This car pushes performance into the future while keeping true to AMG's racing DNA. After checking out the all-electric G-Wagon, Shahir heads over to another showstopper, the Mercedes-AMG GTX-X concept. This car pushes performance into the future while keeping true to AMG's racing DNA. Alongside the show-stopping EQG and the AMG GTX-X concept, Mercedes also gives visitors a deeper look inside their electric technology. Shahir stops at a model that reveals the inner workings of a Mercedes M. Next, Shahir heads into the Audi Arena, a space that feels more like stepping into the future than just a car show. Audi is going all in on electrification, and their 2025 lineup proves it. From the new Q6 e-tron, with its advanced pay platform, to Audi's sleek electric concepts, every model reflects a mix of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology.
Excellence through precision. Pushes boundaries of technology and design. Ingenuity in material form. To extremes to break new ground. Probe at the edges of possibility. With the brilliance of four suns.
Next up, Shahir stops by the Audi stand, where the brand is unveiling its bold new step into the future. The Audi Concept C. This isn't just another concept car, it's Audi's clear signal of what's coming next. Shahir steps up to the Audi Concept C, and the first thing that strikes him is how stunning the design looks. The sharp lines, bold proportions, and clean surfaces make it feel fresh yet unmistakably Audi. As he looks inside, what stands out is the balance between futuristic design and simplicity. Audi has kept physical switches alongside digital controls, giving the interior a driver-focused feel rather than just another tech gadget. With Audi saying the Concept C is about 90% production ready, Shahir sees it as the spiritual successor to the iconic TT, only now reimagined for the electric era. Next on Shahir's journey is the Porsche Arena, where performance meets innovation. Porsche's display is all about electrification but with the same DNA that made the brand legendary. After an unforgettable day at the Munich Motor Show 2025, Shahir has explored some of the world's most exciting innovations from BMW's high-performance EVs to Lucid's luxury, from Mercedes' bold EQG and AMG concept to Audi's striking Concept C, and finally Porsche's powerful step into the electric future. Thanks for joining Shahir on this journey through the Munich Motor Show 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite car from today's adventure.